In Whole Woman's Health versus Jackson, we'll see whether the United States Supreme Court granted an injunction to prevent a Texas state abortion law from being enforced. In May of 2021, the Texas legislature enacted Senate Bill 8. The act would go into effect on September 1, 2021, and created a near-categorial ban on abortions beginning at 6 weeks. When the Texas legislature passed SB 8, the act violated United States Supreme Court precedent established in Roe v. Wade and Planned Parenthood v. Casey. SB 8 delegated enforcement to any private citizen by allowing private citizens to file lawsuits against parties that provide an abortion in violation of the act. The act specifically prohibited state officers from enforcing SB 8. Abortion providers, including Whole Woman's Health, sued multiple defendants, including Texas state court judges and Texas county clerks, represented by Judge Austin Reeve Jackson in federal district court. The providers claimed that SB 8 was unconstitutional, and they sought to enjoin Texas state courts from enforcing the act. In response to the lawsuit, Jackson and the state officers argued that the providers didn't have standing to bring the lawsuit. The state officers also claimed that they had sovereign immunity. The district court held that the providers' action wasn't barred by sovereign immunity, and the providers had standing because there was a credible threat of impending injury once the act went into effect. Jackson appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit. The Fifth Circuit ordered a total administrative stay on the district court's proceedings on August 27, 2021. Because SB 8 would go into effect 4 days later, the providers petitioned the United States Supreme Court for an injunction to prevent the act from being enforced during the ongoing litigation. The petition was placed on the court's emergency docket, also known as the shadow docket, which consists of petitions seeking an immediate action by the court.